Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Graham and today I'm going to show you around this absolutely gorgeous 2019 BMW Gran Coupe. Now this is the 420 and it is the M-Sport model with the automatic gearbox. It's got the 2-litre petrol engine, silky smooth, fantastic on fuel, refined with bags of performance, and looking in this mode absolutely the best car that will ever park on any car park. Now this car's finished in the Sapphire Black Metallic and has got the BMW M Performance external body kit and the 20-inch competition alloys. What a car! I can only say that this has got to be one of the best looking cars we've had through the door this week. Absolutely gorgeous. We've sold loads of these recently, all with the M Performance body kit. Have a look at our previously sold images on our gallery and you'll see that we've got some really nice cars like this. Now this car is a 2019 car and it's finished in the Sapphire Black, but the paintwork is exceptional on this. So I'm going to show the front end of the car super slow because you can virtually see your reflection in it and eat your dinner off it. It is that beautiful. The person who owned this car, this must have been their pride and joy from day one. The bumpers are in perfect order. They're absolutely without, well, I don't think I've seen a 2019 plate car with a front end virtually as blemish free as this car is. Now the 19-inch compromotive wheels, no, the 20-inch, not 19s, so 20-inch competition alloy wheels, they are in as new condition with fantastic tyres on them. The badges all way round have been blacked, so we've got the Black Edition M-Sport badge there, but the whole car is just really is as new as I could possibly get. The sides of the vehicle are all in free from any trolley dent mark or anything at all. This car's not been parked close to anything any time in its life. The black detailing around the windows is in as new condition. Everything about it is gorgeous. This would suit my driveway, I tell you, it would be beautiful. Privacy glass in the rear. But the M Performance body kit, as I was saying, we've got the side skirt extension there. Then along the front bumper we have the front splitter M-Sport extension as well, and it just spills out very slightly, giving you that superb aerodynamic finish. We get then down the other side the side skirt extension. Then as we come up to the tailgate there, we've got that little lip spoiler which just makes it. The badge on the rear for the 420 is again in black, and then we've got the standard rear diffuser with black tailpipes for the exhaust. But the whole car, the combination of the external body kit, the privacy, black on black, then with the 20-inch competition wheels, it just makes it beautiful vehicle. If you put a private registration on, I'm sure it'd look like a brand new car. The boot is in superb order. I'm going to show you everything I possibly can, but the top of the boot on bumper are free from any real mark or dent, scratch, where people have been careless about putting things in the boot. It really is superb. Electric tailgate, press the button, down she comes. Looking down the driver's side then, again the paintwork's in great order, free from any dent, trolley dent, scratch mark. Each wheel is in as new condition. I'd encourage anybody to inquire very early on this car, because the first person to see this car will most definitely be buying it. So let's have a look inside. So we've got the Black Dakota Leather then inside, which is again, internally the car is as good as externally, but BMW's interiors are fantastic. So this one's got the Black Dakota Leather seats with the graphite effect and silver aluminium detail, the M-Sport kick plates, and then the seat itself is in superb condition. The bolster, show you that, very, very minimal wear, one would expect that, and then the base is in lovely, lovely condition. Just try and be transparent with these videos, I always do, so you know what you're coming to buy when you arrive at Alpha Motors. We prepare our vehicles to the highest of standards, so you're not disappointed when you arrive. So we get the internal aluminium detailing. I do like that knurled effect on it, it really is beautiful. And then you get a light satin silver detail that runs through. But fully loaded, heated seats, Eco Sport Pro mode, parking sensors front and rear. SAT NAV, we've got the larger screen on the nav there, so the latest systems, so you've got the various notifications throughout, as you can see. DAB radio communication, SAT NAV, Connect Drive, your vehicle. Don't worry about the notifications there, just because the door's open and it's needing some fuel. Service history is all there, so as you can see, the first service is on the 23rd of June 20 at 16,482 miles. That's an engine oil and filter, and that was at BMW dealer 05383. Then we've got two there which are zeros, yeah, so they are paying to update BMW's system, so they are affiliated with their systems, and it's had a brake fluid there as well. Looking at all the vehicle, front brakes, we've got 3,200. They'll have a look at them in our workshop. If they need replacing, they're replaced. Back brakes 3.2. What we'll do, our engine October 23 or 7,000 miles, so loads away from there. But as I say, we'll go through our workshop and get completely inspected, and anything that needs replacing, replaced. And then you'll get also a PDI sheet and a receipt for all the work that's carried out on the vehicle by ourselves. Internally, the car, as I say, the seats, the internal of the vehicle is perfect in every way. There's nothing really other than a slight bit of wear on there, but nothing I can be negative over. 2 keys, book pack. I've took pictures of the service documentation because we have the printout as well. I don't smoke, and I can tell the last owner hasn't smoked in here either. But you'll be very, very impressed. Cruise control, speed limiter, and obviously paddle shift, automatic wipers and automatic headlamps, BMW media, so auxiliary, USB and Bluetooth streaming. And then in the rear of the car, the seats are all in fantastic condition. Isofix as well. Carpets are all lovely throughout. Door entries are all marks, free from marks, and again the detail in the aluminium on the rear door handles also. But what a lovely, lovely car. I encourage anybody early viewing, as I did say, because it is as good as I've seen on a 19 plate with the M-Sport performance body kit and the wheels with as new wheels. So if you'd like to reserve it, give us a call here at Alpha Motors in Wigan. We'll take a £250 fully refundable deposit. If when you get to Wigan to see it in the flesh, it's not what you expect, we'll refund that straight away. If you've got a part exchange, give us a call. We'll give you a price there over the phone. When you do arrive with the vehicle, if it's as you described, the price we give you is the price we pay. Our cars are prepared to the highest of standards, so you only have to visit us once. They're all warranted. They're all HPI clear. Have a look on Facebook. You'll see lots of customers from all over the country picking cars up just like you. They've watched the video, they've seen the advert, they've part exchanged, they've got the finance, and then they come to us once. We sort the paperwork out. Very, very easy, very simple. We make buying used cars fun. So I'm Graham, we've got Lee and Dominic on sales. If you've got any more information or would like any more information, give us a call. But as for now, thanks for watching the video, and I look forward to your inquiry.